Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today I have exciting information. We have some full box reveal for the base and boxy looks. That means for the month of December, guys. It's already December. Can you believe that? The last month of this year. But we already have information, more information for next year. We have new spoilers for January 2021. Let's just go ahead and get started. So we're going to be talking about the base box. These are spoilers. We're going to start just in January. I'm going to be talking about the sneak peeks for January 2021. I'm going to go in order, and then at the end of this video I'm going to be talking about the full box reveal. So I hope you guys don't mind the order that I'm doing it. And so as you see, base box is $25. If you're new, I'm putting more information on the side so you know a little bit more about Boxycharm for the base box. And if you're new, don't forget to use the promo code, which I'm going to include that also at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the preview or the sneak peek for January 2021 for the base box. The base box is saying that the worth is going to be up to $220, and we have two brands that have been confirmed. Pharmacy is going to be included on the box, which I find that very exciting because, as you know, Pharmacy, it's a very good skincare brand, and usually we have seen it in boxy looks, but now we are able to see it on the base box, which I'm loving that we're starting great for the next year. And also Dr. Brand is going to be included. So I'm going to show you what we have so far for Pharmacy. So there's two different products. I am not sure if they're going to be a variation, but both of them have been shown. One of them is Pharmacy Deep Sweep. I remember months ago we saw Joe share this on his TikTok, and this is a toner, but this is a 2% BHA toner that is going to gently exfoliate. It's going to clean your pores. It's going to control oil, combination oily or acne prone skin, which is perfect for my type of skin. But if this is not the type of product you would prefer, here's another variation, and it's also from Pharmacy, which I love. This one is a newer product as well. This is the Daily Green Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, and it has moringa and papaya in it. This is an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that's going to deliver lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving your skin feeling greasy. I love that. It contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of anything that's going to help clear your pores and reduce shine. So loving these two products so far, and this is what we see coming to the base box, which I'm still shocked that Pharmacy is going to be included in the base box. So now that's the only thing we have so far for the base box. We have seen the products for Pharmacy. We do know that Dr. Brand is coming, but now let's move on to the premium box. It's going to be the premium spoilers. I already shared one of those with you guys, but now we have more information. Premium box, the average value is going to be $175, and you know this box costs $35. I know premium has not been looking like a premium box, but I hope in January that changes, and I think it is starting to look pretty good. So the first product that I want to share is an item that everybody's going to be getting, and this is a collab from Ofra Cosmetics with Boxycharm. Here I'm including a similar palette that you could find in Ofra Cosmetics website. This is called Mini Mixed Face Palette, and it's called New Solstice. And the retail price for that is $109, but it's on special right now for $39. And it looks very similar to the one that is going to be a collab with Boxycharm. And here you guys get to see exactly the shades and what it looks like. It is a face palette, and we're only going to be able to get this palette just through Boxycharm. And everybody's going to be getting this palette, which I love. Now let me show you the second sneak peek. The second sneak peek has been confirmed. Summer Friday. This is a new brand coming to Boxycharm. This is a mask. It's called Jet Lag Mask. It costs $48. A hydrating cream face mask. It has ingredients that's gonna deliver hydration and radiant complexion in just one application. This is gonna be a solution for dryness, for dry skin, and dullness and uneven texture. I just wanted to include more information so you guys have an idea exactly what this is. I am not sure if everybody's gonna be getting it, but we do know that it's going to be in the premium box. The third item actually that has been confirmed, and I'm so excited, from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I'm showing you different colors here because this is a powder, a setting powder, and they all come in different colors. We see a lavender, coffee, hazelnut, banana. Loving the names. I'm wondering if this is going to be a choice item because they're different shades. If this was a translucent powder, everybody's going to be getting the same shade because it's just one. But because there's different shades, I wonder if this might be a choice item for the premium box for January. This has not been confirmed if it's choice. I am just guessing it might be, because in the picture when Joe showed it, there was 2 different boxes there, and as you know, there's different shades shown here. So just guys know, be on the lookout if this might be a choice item. I actually went to the website, and you could go to Fenty Beauty or Sephora, and they had a video showing you how to apply it if you have oily skin or you have dry skin. I was able to see there that my shade, I believe, is banana. I wanted to see a little bit more, but now since it's already been confirmed, it really looks like a great powder to have. So now something else that we know that is coming to the premium box are these brands. Joe did mention recently that Laura Mercier is going to be in the box. We don't know what product it is, but at least we know the brand. He also mentioned that skincare, a new brand is coming. Tarte, Too Faced, and Violet Voss. Now these other brands that I just mentioned, like Tarte, it has not been confirmed if it's going to be on the base or premium, but it is coming already starting 2021. And when he mentioned the skincare new brand, he did show previously in another video. This brand is called Bloom Effects, and it's a royal tulip nectar. He was asking what do we think about this product, but he did not confirm yet if this is coming to 2021 or the premium box. But because he did mention his skincare and a new brand is coming, I am putting 2 and 2 together, and I feel like this might be the brand. But this product has not been confirmed, but these brands have been confirmed. Just we don't know if it's going to be on base or premium, but it's coming on 2021. Now another sneak peek that we know that is coming for 2021, at least maybe for January, is going to be this product from Glow Recipe. This was another brand that Joe did mention, and in the background we got to see this product. This is a plump hyaluronic serum, retails for $42, and here I want to show you guys more information about it. Why so hydrating? Most of the times I heard most products that the hyaluronic acid just stay in the surface of your skin, and that's why it looks very plump, but it doesn't go more into the deep layers of your skin. Here is showing us that this is actually going in layers with hydration. You're going to have 4 types and 5 molecular weights that are going penetrating deeper in the skin. And that's what I'm seeing that this product is promising, and I wanted to show you guys more information about this product since it's really new from Glow Recipe. It hasn't been confirmed if it's going to be base or premium or if it's going to be in January, but we do know that Glow Recipe is coming back to Boxycharm, and so far we believe it's going to be with this product. So now that we have finished with January base and premium box, I want to talk about the choice dates and add-ons. That is going to be coming pretty soon on December 7th, just a few days on Monday. And as you know, I am loving this. I hope you guys are enjoying it too, that you're able to make your selections on the same day. Even if you have both boxes, you're able to make your selection on December 7th on Monday. And we already have a few items already revealed for the add-ons. You get to see them right here. We even have the Huda palette is going to be on special as well, and other products are going to be included there. So guys, if you're new to Boxycharm or just want to sign up again, they're giving away a free palette, and in addition $10 credit for the add-on store just using this coupon code, which is breakfast for all. Now that we finished already January 2021, let's move on to this month, and we have some possibly full box review. And I say possibly because these box reveal has been shown based on ads, so it has not been confirmed that somebody has received it yet, but they do look full box. That means all 5 items were included. So I'm just going to show you guys. Has not been confirmed, but what I found, I want to share with you. So let's go ahead and get started. We only have base and boxy looks shown so far. So let's go ahead and start with the base box. Here is the ad that we've seen, and here are the items. You're going to see the Caliente palette for Artist Couture, Elemis, the Priming Moisturizer, Glamnetic, which this is a pair. You're going to get the liner with the lashes, Vice Art, which is an eye primer, and then you're going to have Butter London, which is a melt away cuticle exfoliator. So you want to know a little bit more, I put all of the items here with the prices. So if anybody get this variation, then the retail value for this box will be $184, and as you know, this box only costs $25. But let's go ahead and look at another another ad that was shown. This one was including the Huda Beauty palette, the Ruby palette, the Luxie Eye Essential Brush Set, which are in rose gold, the Glamnetic lashes. I'm not sure. Remember, there's going to be two different variations. It could be Bella or the other one, and this was a choice item actually. And then we have the Tarte Man Eater mascara, and then a MAC lipstick, as you see there. If the MAC lipstick is $21, then the retail value of this box will be $179. And on the bottom, I want to show this month theme, which I love. It's called Bubbles and Glitz. So cute, so glam, and perfect for us to end this year. So this is all I have for the base box. So far they're looking pretty good. Now let's talk about Boxy Luxe, and there's some items here that we already knew we were getting, and there's two there that I was not expecting at all, but I did try to include all that information on the side. We have the palette Hip Dot, as well as the Luxie brushes that everybody's going to be getting, which I love. Everybody's going to be getting as well the iconic London the Blaze Chaser Face palette, the Good Jeans Sunday Riley. So I love that this won't be so many variations, because it's a lot of products that we're all going to be getting, and they all look like great products to receive. Here was a choice item, the Rockins Hot Mess Trio, as well as the Beauty, the Original Glam Smile Kit. In addition to all of the items that I mentioned, here are two that I was not expecting. I am not sure, guys, so bear with me. It only said the Beauty Crop Illuminating and Hydrating Face and Body Mist. This was the only one that I found on the website, so I'm not sure they have any other scent. I can't tell by the picture what it might be, so it's what it said there. So it could be this one, I'm not sure. And here's another new brand. This called Hand Skin Hyaluron Skin Essence. And as you know, Essence is something that we've seen a lot in the K-beauty, which I would love to get. Actually, I would love to include an Essence in my skincare routine. So here is what I've seen from this picture. It's not confirmed. It was just an ad, so I don't know, but it looks pretty much on point from the other products that we have seen previously, or the products that have been confirmed. So far, if this is a variation, a full box, then the retail value for this will be $423.99, which is crazy because the box for Boxy Luxe is $50. But I have two more to show you guys. The other one that I want to show you is pretty much the same, of course, because you know most of these items everybody's going to be getting. These are the two choice items, are still the same, but the only thing that changes on this one is this moisturizer. This moisturizer is from Avant. We have received this moisturizers before, and it's called Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. So it looks like it's a moisturizer for the daytime, and this one retails for $123. We have received some of the masks previously from this brand, and as you know, they could be very pricey. So once we include that, and everything else is pretty much the same, this box now retails for $521.99, which that is almost accurate with the ad that we have seen before, that this month box is gonna go over $500. So if somebody gets this box variation, this is a very high value variation. And now let's move on to the third variation, which that is pretty much the same. The only thing that changes is that the Smile Kit is not in it, and which surprises me because the Smile Kit was a choice item, and I don't know if this was a choice item. I don't believe seeing this as a choice item, but it's included on this picture, and it's from Sonage Icy Gloves Facial Massager in the color pink, and this one retails for $60. So far, some people are loving that. And then including a moisturizer. This will be a more skincare type of box. It has more skincare products, at least from these two products included there. And if you get this variation, or if this is possibly a confirmed variation, then it would be the retail value $492.99. So now that we have finished with 2020, December 2020, I don't have any more premium full box review, but if I do, I will include it later on. So guys, thank you so much for spending some of the time with me. What do you guys think of these boxes already? And already for January, I feel like they are looking pretty good. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for spending some time with me, and until the next video. Bye.